How to report Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can report a Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, reporting a Facebook account is actually quite a simple thing. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook application that you will be able to find here. And once you launch the Facebook app, if you would like to report a certain account, you can simply open up their profile page. Now I'm only showing this for the video. I don't have anything against this person or profile, so I'm only going to show it for the demo purpose. After you come to their profile page, you have to tap the three dots option that you can find over here. When you tap on the three dots option over there, you'll be able to see different sort of options where you can see report profile from the top, so tap on it. Now select your reason as to why you are reporting this particular profile, whether it is for hate speech or nudity or violence, harassment. What is it that you are trying to report it for? Then select your reason, then just confirm the changes and tap on the done option, and then you'll be able to report it. Now as I said, I don't have anything against this person, by the way, so I'm just showing it for the tutorial only. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.